Hey everyone, the Florida heat and humidity is here. The moisture's in the air. We've been getting regular rains. My garden is growing at a fast pace. It's getting a little unruly, and it's a great day and time to take a walk through my garden and to see what's happening. I live in Florida, Zone 10A, Central Florida, and my entire backyard is a butterfly garden that I have worked on and created over the last, 6 or 7 years. Look at this huge Mexican sunflower. This came up on its own, and that's one plant. It is fantastic, and it's right behind my garden chair. And between that and the zinnias, I have more Mexican sunflowers here. This corner of my garden is very busy. There's usually always a butterfly back here. Even with me standing back here in the middle of it, they'll still pop in. And look at this zinnia. Look at this. It's spectacular. I love zinnias. Butterflies do too. And even more butterflies love Mexican sunflowers, which all of you know because I talk about them all the time. And if you're new here, Mexican sunflowers, that's the ticket right there. Easy to grow from seed. Gorgeous. I've got more in my garden this year than I think that I ever have. If you look over there, I've got a whole little garden bed full of them. We'll work our way over to that. My little verbenas that I turned into hanging baskets are back here now. I did have some zinnias back here before, but they weren't doing too well. But these verbenas are very happy here. They're in pots that hold water decently. So really pretty. In this corner, I also have my orange zestrum, which now, like earlier it was happy here, but now I think it's getting too much sun because this corner just gets full blazing sun all day. And then I also have my beautiful, we're looking at it again, scarlet hibiscus back here in this corner too. Oh my gosh, you guys, I'm just looking down and look what I see. Giant swallowtail eggs. So this is a wild lime, and I'm going to take this. Oh, I see more. I'm going to take this cutting in so I can raise these. And look, there's another one here. Oh my gosh. I'm just going to go ahead and set up a little incubator for them. I take that one and pinch off this one. All right. I'll be right back. Just real quick, getting these little guys set up in an incubator. Very quick and easy to do. Just lay their little stems in a row and place a folded paper towel over it. Get it nice and wet. And put the lid on. It's dirty. It's okay. They're used to dirt. There we go. All done. I'm headed back there to the corner where I was because I have a couple more things to show you. You know, literally I could probably film a whole video just from one section of my garden because there's just so much. At this time of year, it's more about seeing the butterflies and the caterpillars because the work is done. The winter, spring work is done, getting this all prepared for them, and they're here. And now it's kind of like maintain everything and enjoy the butterflies. And that's a Polynama swallowtail and a Gulf fritillary again. There's another Polynama swallowtail over there. So right here on this side, I have this salvia, and I'm not sure who it is. Whoever it is, they are super happy here. I mean, this thing has grown up huge. Look, there's my little water feature, right? That used to be out in the open. And now it's tucked away in there because this has grown all over it. And then just across from this is my vitex tree, which you guys told me I needed to get one. And it's blooming. Look at this. Look how pretty. Look at those flowers. And I also have my potted Passiflora pallens, which is also a host of the Gulf fritillary and the zebra longwing. And there is a little baby kunti plant growing up in it. How that happened, I don't know. But there's also an adorable baby Gulf fritillary caterpillar right here munching away. That's what it's all about. I also have a kunti growing back in here. And this is a host plant to the Atala butterfly, which I haven't had any yet, nor have I gotten any to try getting them established again. There's another cute little sunshine mimosa flower. I love them. Look at the little white tips at the end of their little fuzzy flowers. Oh, I'm just looking. Look, I found another egg. Pinch off that. Giant swallowtail egg. Oh, there's another one. If you are in the Milkweed crew, which is my channel membership, stay to the end of this video because we're having a quick meeting. I have something I have to tell you. And everybody else is welcome to stay too. With the Mexican sunflowers, to keep them blooming profusely like this, you've got to regularly deadhead them. If you go back, like there's just a leaf. There's just a leaf. But back here, you can see there's another flower forming. That's where I trim back to. And then look right down here. I mean, we just looked at this. Did we look at this in my last video? I think so. This is microcosmia. Yes, I remember, because I remember I said I can't ever remember how to say it. It's blooming. Isn't it gorgeous? I love this. Look at these adorable little pink zinnias right beside me here. I've got lots of salvias and sage. I need to actually start deadheading them too. They're more popular. Well, actually, I see a lot of butterflies on these, but I see a lot of bees too. Are you ready for this, guys? Are you ready? Well, first of all, let's look down here. Massive adorableness. That big one, man, that one should be going to pupate soon. There's a little cutie right there. And then as we come up, there's a little cutie right there. And look at all these guys. They're eating the stems. Now, there's more leaves down below, which eventually they'll find. And see, I've got all this over here going down this side. They haven't moved ever to yet, but look. Look at them all. Look at all these guys. I mean, I have massive numbers of them. So, you know, I was thinking, like, if any of you who I communicate with regularly in other ways that live near me and would want to meet me at Plant Local, I would be happy to bring you some caterpillars. We could schedule a meetup time and I could pass some of these guys off to you, because I know that a lot of you like are having a hard time getting caterpillars back from our winter freezes. And I have plenty to share. And the more of these guys we get out in the world, it'll help them. I could just bring you this whole little leaf right here. Look at those guys. So get in touch with me. You can get me in my DMs on Instagram or email. My email address is it in the description? I don't know if it is anymore. But you can get me at Instagram or leave me a comment if you're trying to reach me and we'll figure it out. Because I would really love for these guys to have plenty to eat and get to become butterflies. Oh my gosh, he's so cute. Look how big he is. Okay, so let's go into the garden room and I'll show you a couple cutie pies in there and give you an update on my zebra swallowtail. If I can just tear myself away. Oh my gosh, he's so cute. What is it about these guys? Look at this. There's a little head peeking out. There's two monarchs. They're males. They've been going at each other. There they go. Chasing each other down, just swoop flying around. They are so fun to watch. Here comes the other one. Look at this gorgeous monarch right here on my starry rosin weed. Alright, in my spice bush enclosure, I still have the two and their chrysalides, and then I have this one little guy. He's green now. Look how adorable. These guys host on spice bush and sassafras trees. And they're just the cutest little things. And here is the chrysalis still. We're still waiting. Zebra swallowtail. Can kind of start seeing through it. But that's just incredible. And then there's a little caterpillar right there. He's getting a lot bigger. Oh my gosh, look at him. Zebra swallowtail on their host plant, pawpaw. Like the little yellow, and then there's a black in the middle and a blue stripe. Okay, so I just moved this plant in today. This is one of my balloon milkweeds. And out in my garden, I had a bunch of eggs and little nibble marks and no caterpillars. So something was eating the caterpillars. So then I had some more eggs and I was watching and I found teeny tiny baby caterpillars. Now they're bigger now than when I found them, but they were in the incubator, like where I just put the giant swallowtail eggs. So then I moved them onto this plant. I just moved them onto this plant this morning. And then these are two little potted wild lime trees. I just put these in here this morning too. I had some cuttings of wild lime and I just decided I wanted to move them onto potted plants. So I just have a few giant swallowtail caterpillars. So those eggs I brought in will eventually be these guys that are disguised to look like a drop of bird poop sitting on the leaf. So nobody will want to eat them. There's another one here. And the third one's right here. So cute. And I hope you enjoyed hanging out with me in my garden. Please take a minute and tap the like button. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Oh my gosh, these guys are so adorable. Okay, meeting time. Just a quick note. Milkweed Crew, you guys saw I did a live yesterday for you to try out doing a live video so that you can like literally ask me questions and I can answer them. You can ask to see a certain flower or caterpillar or something. I can go show it to you right then and there live. I think that will be fabulous. I'm going to try and do that going forward in the future for you guys. But I just want you to know that there's a learning curve. And for me, it's a really long, ongoing curve. Probably swerves back and forth over multiple curves. But there was a setting I was supposed to turn on and I didn't realize it. And so I recorded the whole live, but I wasn't actually live. So I promise I'll do better next time. A lot of you reached out to me and said, oh, I would have been there, but I didn't see it come up. And it's like, that was my fault. So think nothing of it. Think nothing of it. I'll do better. Okay, that's it. Meeting adjourned. Bye, everyone.